Hello and welcome back to Focus Atlanta. Thanks so much for continuing to watch. Again, I am your host, Keisha Lancelin, and I'm so excited to bring you our entrepreneur series for this week. In this segment, we have two sisters. We have Kim and Keandra. We're going to talk a little bit about being inclusive in that attire. Ladies, thank you for coming on the show.
Thanks for having us.
You got to start at the beginning. Give me the background. Why was this so important that you said, you know what, we can do better. We can do better and we will do better.
Yeah, so, there's always been a need for, fashionable options for plus size women, right? Like we've always, being plus size women, we've always looked for things like that. But more importantly, there's been a need for a space for promoting and showing representation for Black women. We noticed that we kind of are underrepresented and we are overlooked a lot of times, and especially like in fashion, of course, in corporate America, things like that. But the space that we enjoy the most, because I'm in fashion, I'm a wardrobe stylist. My sister, she's a Billboard chart topping gospel artist. So, she has to do the fashion piece. So, that is something that we really absolutely love. So that's how we found our way to advocate for Black women. We've always wanted to advocate for women, period, but Black women in particular, because we are Black women, we are part of two marginalized groups in fashion. So, we wanted to really kind of show ourselves strong in that and, really show that representation.
This is exciting. I mean, okay, when I first read the press release, like you said, I thought, okay, this is nice for a piece of the population. There's a segment here that is, but then when I dug deeper, I'm like, oh, you're running the full spectrum. You're talking about the little bitty, itty, teeny, peeny people who are wearing extra small, who can't ever find anything. And then you're talking about the voluptuous people who are, trying to find their space as well. Like you ran the gamut. You didn't just stick to one piece.
Yes. Right. Yeah. That was super important, because we, like you said, extra smalls, they, people can't find hardly anything to wear because it's just, small, maybe to large, maybe extra large most times. So it's like really difficult to find really fashionable pieces that you actually love. Mm-hmm. And I think that is what we hear the most from our audience is that, hey, thank you so much for offering this wide range of sizes. Yeah. And, and we also we just launched our unisex collection. So we've done a carefully curated section for unisex. So now we are reaching everybody.
Right. That's what I'm talking about. I love it. Listen, well, I can't let you get too far. First of all, let's go back. Give me a website. I want everybody to see what I saw. Like I said, there's one thing to read a press release, but then once I clicked on that link, I was like, okay. Okay. So could we get a website so that people could look for themselves and kind of browse and see what you have and see what you're offering?
Yes. So the website is www.JolieNoire.com. That's JolieNoire.com. And you can also follow us on our social media and we chat back. That's at JolieNoire Apparel and JolieNoire.
Well, ladies, as we close out, all of these things, nothing can be done in a sphere by yourself, right? I'm sure that you have some partnerships and things that make this happen, make it work for you. Is there anybody that you'd like to mention?
Yeah, absolutely. So the way that we actually fulfill and do all of our printing and packaging and all of that is through Printful. They are a drop shipping company. They have warehousing. We use their warehousing. We use their graphics team. We absolutely love them. During the pandemic, when at the start of it, we thought that we weren't going to be able to really keep our doors open. And we're such a new business. That was a fearful thing for us. But they were so amazing. They had their operations, like as they, were kind of working it out themselves. Their operations allowed us to have the utmost customer service for our customer service because they had great customer service. They were such a great support for us throughout that time and throughout this time. So yeah, they've been super amazing. We are so excited to be partnered with Printful. It's just a really great relationship.
I love that. Well, congratulations, because you're right. It's difficult for entrepreneurs. That's kind of why we do this segment of the show. We just really want to celebrate our entrepreneurs and our businesses and our small businesses locally in the Atlanta area, because this has been a difficult time, and we just want to uplift you guys and give you encouragement to keep on going. So thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Can we close out with, that person who's feeling like, my body shape is just so different. I feel like I'm out of the loop and I'm not going to be able to do anything fashionable. What I am right now in this space of the pandemic is comfort. Comfort is all I need, period. But you can be comfortable and feel good about yourself and be fashionable too. What would you say to that person?
I would say, being that, a lot of times I am very uncomfortable, because of my size. But then again, you have to put yourself in a mental space, encouraging yourself like you're not, the size that you once were, but you're still beautiful. And that's what our clothes do. It makes you understand and know who you are as a woman. You are beautiful. You are Jolie Noire, pretty black. And even if you're not black, you are beautiful just the way that you are,
I agree.
I love it. Thank you both for coming on the show. It was a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. Likewise.
All right, you all, please take the opportunity to go to the website, learn a little bit more, and you can check them out on social media. If you have some comments, they'll chat back with you. If you want to give some compliments on some things that you've seen, some things that you've purchased, let the ladies know that they're doing a great job. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this segment of Focus Atlanta. We'll be back here on